Welcome back to Actor 6 Cocktails. Today we're going to make the bamboo cocktail. I don't know pretty much anything about it. It comes from the Old Mr. Boston bartending book. And pretty much that's all I know. So I gotta get ice in the glass. We have ice in the glass, and let's do a dash of orange bitters. And let's do half an ounce of this dry vermouth. Was it 3/4 of an ounce? I think it is 3/4 of an ounce, so I'll add another 1/4 of an ounce of vermouth. And 1.5 ounces of sherry. It's a stirred drink. And this is the bamboo. It's pretty good. If you like vermouth and sherry, it's perfect. I might try to do a similar combination with port and sweet vermouth, or maybe port and dry vermouth, and just experiment with this one a bit, but I think it's a really solid formula here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.